Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of physics. In this video, we'll continue with the chapter magnetism. So we'll study about the methods of making a magnets. A piece of a magnetic material can be magnetized by following methods. The first method is by magnetic induction method. Magnetic induction method is one of the ways of making magnetic material like steel and iron into magnet. It is a process of inducing magnetism in an ordinary piece of magnetic material. So for this we'll take a strong magnet and bring it near a needle. Once the needle sticks to the magnet, take it closer to another needle. Repeat this many times. The needles are attracted by a magnet and they arrange with each other in a row. These needles get the magnetic property due to the presence of a magnet. This is known as magnetic induction. When the magnet is removed, the needles will lose the magnetic properties. Now the next method we'll study is by single touch method. So for this we take a bar magnet and select its one pole, and we use the same pole every time and rub it on an iron piece only in one direction again and again. After some time, iron piece turns into magnet. Now the next type of method we'll study is known as double touch method. So for this method we'll take an iron bar and then take two bar magnets of identical length and strength. Place the opposite poles of both the magnets at the center of the iron piece. Now drag them gently in such a way that they should move away from each other along the iron bar, always maintaining contact with the iron bar. Repeat this process at least 40 to 50 times. We'll find that the iron bar has become a magnet. Now the next type of method for making a magnet is electrical method. So for this we take an iron bar and put a winding of thin insulated copper wire around it. Connect the two ends of the wire to the terminals of a battery through a switch. Turn on the switch so that the current passes through the coil of copper wire. Bring some iron nails near the bar. They are attracted towards it. It shows that the iron bar has acquired magnetic properties. If the current is stopped, the magnetic properties of the bar magnet disappears. So these are the methods to make magnets. We have studied magnetic induction method, single touch method, double touch method, and by electrical method. Now we'll study about permanent and temporary magnets. There are two types of magnets. Permanent magnets. A magnet that retains its magnetic properties for a long time is called a permanent magnet. Permanent magnets, which are natural, are weak magnets, but artificially made permanent magnets displace the strong magnetism. Permanent magnets are artificially made using an alloy of iron with aluminium, nickel, cobalt, or with carbon. They are used for refrigerator magnets, in electronic motors, magnetic recordings, and storage media such as hard drives and magnetic tapes. Temporary magnets. A magnet that retains its magnetic property for a very short span of time is called a temporary magnet. They are made from soft metals and behave as magnets, while near a permanent magnetic field or electric current. They lose their magnetism when the influence of external magnetic or electric induction is removed. One example of the industrial temporary magnet is an electromagnet used to move scrap metal in a junk yard. So students, we have studied about the methods of making magnets and about the permanent and temporary magnets. In the next video, we'll continue with the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.